Microsoft CEO Nadella tops Fortune's Businessperson of the Year 2019 list. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella topped Fortune's Businessperson of the Year 2019 list released by the American Business magazine on Tuesday. Fortune ranked business leaders based on the challenges they faced and listed were assembling the right team as Nadella's challenge. He was followed by Australia's Fortescue Metals Group CEO Elizabeth Gaines and Chipotle Mexican Grills CEO Brian Niccol on the list. PayPal to buy Honey for $4 billion. Its biggest acquisition to date. Billionaire Peter Thiel co-founded payments giant PayPal announced that it has agreed to acquire Honey Science Corporation for $4 billion. Its largest acquisition deal ever. Honey is known for the development of a browser add-on and a mobile application that helps consumers find deals while shopping online. The acquisition deal is expected to close in the first quarter of 2020. Android camera app bug allowed hackers to take photos, videos of users. A security vulnerability in the Android system allowed hackers to secretly take photos and videos of users. Checkmarx Security Research Team said on Tuesday. The security researchers discovered that Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3 and Samsung Camera app had permission bypass issues affecting hundreds of millions of smartphones. Google patched the bug through a Google Camera app update in July. Twitter accuses UK's ruling Conservative Party of misleading public. Twitter accused the UK's ruling Conservative Party of misleading the public after it renamed one of its official Twitter accounts. The CCHQ press account was renamed Fact Check UK during a live debate involving PM Boris Johnson and Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn. UK Foreign Secretary said that the name change was an instant rebuttal to the nonsense put out by the Labour Party. Trump hosted Facebook CEO Zuckerberg for secret dinner in October. US President Donald Trump hosted Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg for an undisclosed dinner in October. NBC News revealed. As is normal for a CEO of a major U.S. company, Mark accepted the invitation, Facebook confirmed. Reports stated that the dinner was around the same time Zuckerberg repeatedly spoke out in favor of maintaining Facebook's policy to not fact-check political ads.